Welcome to the video of discovering if you are a flamboyant gamine in the KIBBE body typing system. In this video, I am going to tell you the traits that define the flamboyant gamine body type based on the textbook description of David Kibbe's Metamorphosis book published in the 1980s. By the end of this video, you will know if you are a flamboyant gamine body type or not. The flamboyant gamine body type is described by contrasting features. An angular to youthful mixture of sharpness to softness, and an unpredictable vibe. But remember, it's all about the overall traits, so don't worry if you don't match every single detail perfectly. I have put a lot of effort into finding the original textbook description of David Kibbe's Metamorphosis book, which is by the way out of print book, to make it easy for you to identify if this is your body type. So let's get started without any further ado. Note: the following information should be taken as a broad outline of what makes a flamboyant gamine. It is the overall balance of a combination of opposites, extra yang on the yin-yang scale, smallish, broadly angular physicality, along with a youthfully bold and brassy essence that creates this image identity category. Therefore, slight deviation here or there is always possible and should not be worried over if it does not upset your yin-yang balance. Height: 5 feet 6 inches and under. Bone structure: broadly angular, square shoulders, slightly wide bones, large hands and feet in proportion to height. If very petite, hands and feet tend to be short but wide and square. Slightly sharp or broad facial contours. Nose, jawline, cheekbones. Arms and legs may be long in proportion to height. If very petite, they appear to be slightly squarish. Facial contours tend to be broad. Nose, cheekbones, jawline. Body type: very defined musculature, unless overweight. Lean and strong. Straight lines. Flat bust line and hips, unless overweight. Tendency toward a leggy look, coltish. Facial features: usually have extremely large eyes, usually have a broad or long facial shape, may be very round or slightly oblong. Facial flesh tend to be taut unless overweight. Lips are frequently moderate to full. Hair: any type of hair is possible, but the texture tends to be extreme, either very fine and straight or very thick and wavy curly. Coloring: any coloring is possible, warm or cool, but flamboyant gamines tend to be very distinctive, very fair, very fiery, or very vivid. If overweight, body tends to become very stocky and square. Excess weight usually collects from the waist down, rarely above. Arms and legs tend to become thick, as does the waist and hip area. Face may become very puffy and fleshy. A flamboyant gamine will not be tall, have extremely exotic facial characteristics, except for extremely large eyes, have delicate bone structure with small hands and feet in proportion to height, have an hourglass figure within wash-pitch waist, and curvy hips and bust line. Even when overweight, the bone structure gives a more squarish shape. Be symmetrical in body type or facial features. So this was the textbook description of a flamboyant gamine from David Kibbe's Metamorphosis. Thank you so much for watching this video and learning about the flamboyant gamine body type with me. I hope this video helped you figure out if you're a flamboyant gamine and understand your unique features better. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section. I would love to hear what you think. Stay tuned because I will be covering each of the body types in detail, and I will also be doing how to dress if you're a flamboyant gamine in my next one. Comment below what you want to see next. My services are linked in the description and also in the top pinned comment, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.